Flash flood emergency for Mayfield. Flash flood warning remains in effect until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time this morning for southern Ballard, eastern Carlisle and central Graves counties. At 5:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported numerous water rescues in Mayfield and many houses in Mayfield surrounded by water. Widespread flooding continues across the entire warned area, with numerous roads flooded and impassable. Between 4 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. Several more rounds of thunderstorms are expected this morning, with additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches expected in the warned area. This is a flash flood emergency for Mayfield. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: emergency management reported. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mayfield, Bardwell, Wycliffe, Sedalia, Fancy Farm, Lowe's and Blandville. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles,